very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European rundown for today, which is Wednesday the 25th of May. Overnight, during the Asian session, we did see a predominantly weaker euro as a lot of the press articles, including the front page of the journal, continues to look at the disagreements between various European officials, as we have yet to see any real definitive action taken on the Greek sovereign situation. Also, as well, there was unconfirmed rumours of a potential for Greece to call a snap election, which did see the euro sharply lower during the Asian hours. However, into the European morning, that was swiftly denied by Greek officials, and also the Prime Minister of Greece, Papandreou, did also not answer any questions regarding any calls for a referendum. The euro has come back slightly from its most weakest levels, but is still seen lower across the board, as peripheral bond yield spreads are still seen somewhat wider by around 1 to 2% over German bunds. Equity markets, though, after the lower closes we had in Asia in the likes of the Nikkei and the Shanghai Composite and the lower open for European bourses, we have continued to pare losses. We're trading around unchanged in the core markets, FTSE, CAC and DAX, with the peripherals seeing some minor outperformance as commodities have also recovered, with a slight fall being seen in the dollar. Some of the things in which we have seen in terms of actual press, German newspaper Die Zeit reported, according to their own sources, that all German banks will pass European stress tests, so financials outperforming in the sector breakdown, followed closely by utilities after further German press articles suggested that the government there may well scrap taxes on German utilities on nuclear tax. In terms of other things we have seen, UK economic data, we saw the preliminary reading for first quarter UK GDP, and despite some early rumours of a weak number, it did come out actually in line on the quarter at 0.5%. Looking forward then, in terms of the rest of the session, we'll continue to keep a very close eye on this Greek situation, and if we see any further developments. Also, as well, worth noting, the French Finance Minister Christine Lagarde has now officially, in a press conference, put herself forward as a candidate for the role of the chief of the IMF, and she is highly touted to win that position. In terms of US session, we do have durable goods and also the DOE all-inventory numbers to come, but that's pretty much it from me for the time being here in London, so I have another update for you at the European cash equity close. Have yourself a fantastic trading day.